Alright everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a video of this 42-inch white Hampton Bay Landmark Plus from 2002. This is also known as the Landmark 3. I got this at Habitat down in the Greenwood area, Johnson County one. And now let's demonstrate it. The light. And the fan, we're going to start it up on low. When I first installed it last night, the fan wobbled quite a bit due to the blades being out of alignment. But now I got them nearly in perfect alignment now, so the fan doesn't wobble bad like it used to on high. Almost doesn't wobble at all now. And I'm going to be putting my Crest Hugger ceiling fan after I'm done testing this fan out. Okay, let's go to medium. This one surprisingly doesn't make an annoying buzzing noise like a lot of these do. And these are known for making a loud buzzing noise, and they are known to wobble. This one doesn't wobble that much because I balance the blades for the most part. So, and now high. Yeah, it's very surprising that this one runs quietly and doesn't wobble very much. Because a lot of these 42-inch landmarks are known to buzz and do all that and wobble. The 52-inch ones don't really buzz. It's mainly the 42-inch landmarks that buzz, but this one doesn't really do that, which is surprising. Some landmarks have a tendency to make noise, but this one's pretty quiet. This one's pretty quiet for a landmark. I have the light. And it still goes pretty strong. This fan is from 2002, the year I was born. Alright, let's turn it on. And there you go. That's my new 42-inch Hampton Bay Landmark Plus that I got at Habitat. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.